Welcome. Today we've got two day trippers here. I'm so excited because I've got my dad here all the way from the Philippines. Well, Dad's going to test out 3 different types of stealth camping setups, and I want to get his opinion as to what he likes the best. He's been watching the channel since the very beginning, and it's so good to actually have him here after 3 years to come and visit and then finally join a day tripper adventure.
Oh, perfect.
That's it.
Oh, that's good for Scotland. You look really comfortable.
It's lovely, yeah.
Yeah.
You try it in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh. It's very comfortable, this.
I could get used to this. There you are. Gonna get a cup of tea on.
Yep.
I've got a good just like that. That's it. This is alive. Look at that. Just gotta be careful I don't fall out.
So what do you think so far?
Oh, this is alive.
Yeah.
Wonderful. I could really get used to this.
I think you could make a really good stealth camper.
I think so, yeah. Well, I've got the badge of office.
That's right.
Yeah.
Look at the
I'm a day tripper.
day tripper hat. The other thing is, you don't have to find flat ground, do you?
No. Comfortable thing it is to have a sleep in.
Yeah. Even if you just come out for an afternoon.
Yeah.
You know, I don't have to camp overnight.
You can read a book.
You just come out for an afternoon for a few hours.
Yeah.
I think you've been converted, Dad.
I think I've been converted, yeah.
Okay, well we'll see what you've got to say about the Bivvy bag after we've had a cup of tea.
Yeah. I don't want to move. You can leave me here. You can rip my ticket up.
Okay. Oh look, the kettle's boiled.
Oh. Oh, look what I found.
What have you found in there?
Yeah.
Some bugs?
No, a pound coin.
Oh. Well,
That's mine.
okay. You think you could use that in the Philippines?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'd sling it between 2 coconut trees. I'm off the ground, so the cobras can't get me, or the big millipedes. No, perfect.
We're getting ready for breakfast now. Sausage and egg sandwiches. Or sausage and egg baps.
Yeah, very happy now. Good memory.
This hammock, it got me through lockdown really, because it meant I could go out and escape into the woods.
And you came here in this spot?
Yeah. But you were like in the Philippines. It was 7 months. You had to stay in that house, indoors, and to try and keep fit. I walked round and round the lounge diner, 250 laps, came out at about 3 kilometres. So I did 3 kilometres every single day. Just been captive like an animal, you know. Yeah.
And all my life I've been free as a bird, you know.
I know.
And
Yeah, freedom's so important, isn't it?
it is.
You have to do, you have to be able to make your own decisions.
Yeah.
And not be told what to do all the time.
It was complete against nature, you know. But
You watch day tripper videos.
oh yeah, that's why I kept in touch.
Yeah.
For over 2 years, maybe 3 years. I watched day tripper videos. I'd play them over and over again, and it sort of just kept me in touch with good old Blighty.
Look at the sausages now. I think they're almost done.
Oh,
Nice and golden on all sides. So we'll take those out and get the eggs on.
well, it's fascinating to actually be in a day tripper video.
I know.
What's in them?
It is. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it?
like a room. Well, it's the perfect end, so a perfect replacement. Nice yolk. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, that's on the day tripper plate to the real day tripper. Oh, sorry, interrupted it.
Yeah, nearly fell out.
Have you ever eaten breakfast in a hammock before?
No, it's the first time. Lovely, I'm looking forward to this. Looks quite good.
Yeah, look at that. You enjoy this one.
Okay. Lovely.
Now we're going to test out 2 other stealth camping setups, and then my dad's going to choose which is his favourite.
Right. Okay.
So we've cleared away the hammock, and so the next one is, what would you like to try next?
Bivvy bag.
A bivvy bag.
Oh yeah, it's got to be the
Okay,
bivvy bag.
so he's never tried a bivvy bag, so we're going to set up the bivvy bag and see if Dad can get into it.
Can I just say hello to my lovely wife? Hi Mahal, just going to do the bivvy bag.
This is the bivvy bag.
The famous bivvy bag. So a bivvy bag, really, it's like a sleeping bag cover.
So then you just have to get in here. It's a bit not always easy to get in. And put both your feet in first.
Yes.
And then just you just put it on really and then sit down, couldn't you? And then just sit down. If you sit down now, if you just try and sit down, that's it. And then just put your feet in.
Yeah.
Should we shuffle in a bit more? It's like a caterpillar, isn't it?
It is like a caterpillar, yeah.
It's not. It's a bit awkward, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright.
Okay. Yeah.
Nope.
That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are your feet in the bottom?
Yes, I'm right in.
Okay.
Hang on.
We just do it like that, okay?
Yeah. Okay, come back to see me in the morning.
Yeah, I'll come and get you in the morning.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
That's it, I'm in the bivvy bag.
You're in the bivvy bag.
I am. I'm bivvy bagging.
It's minimalism, isn't it?
It is, it's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's only enough room for one there. And it's waterproof.
Yeah, totally waterproof. And it's Gore-Tex, so it's breathable. So we always get some condensation, but yeah, it kept me totally dry all night.
It's like a body bag.
We're now set up another, like a small bivvy tent, and then you can try that, and then you can give the verdict at the end. Okay.
Quite clever, isn't it?
Yeah. So that keeps all the bugs out,
Look at that.
and then you could just sleep in there like that if it wasn't going to rain.
Yeah.
Just put your camping mat in. I think it's called Snugback Ionosphere.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we just got to peg out the corners. Yeah, something like that.
And then get in that side.
Yeah, do you want to get in and try it?
Yes. Get in this side.
Yep. It's quite low down, it's quite tricky to get in. But as long as you slide yourself in.
Oh,
It's a lot of space, isn't there?
lovely.
Yeah, at least you haven't got anything on your head then.
Yeah.
And then see, there's a lot of space behind you there for your bag
Yeah.
and your stuff.
That's lovely.
Yeah. So do you want to zip it up?
Yeah.
That's a bug net. And this one here. That's it, totally now.
Oh, dear.
No bugs.
Look at that.
And you could leave that open if you wanted. Open if you wanted.
Yes.
Just let some draft ventilation in.
That's perfect.
Or you can just do this up like this.
Well, here I am. I mean, it's like a bivvy bag. Bigger bivvy bag. Look at this one down there, actually. I've got bug netting. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. the door there. It's very cosy. Hello, how? There's plenty of room. You can come and join if you want, you know. Oh dear. It's alright. Oh, it's much bigger than you think. Lovely. Oh, I'm very comfortable.
It blends in really well, you know.
Does it?
Yeah. So do you think you could sleep in there, Dad?
Oh yes. Plenty of room. I like it in here. At a push you could have two people, you know.
You could, yeah, but I think it's very cosy, isn't it?
Oh, it'd be very cosy. You'd have to be with somebody you liked a lot.
You know, what did you think, and what was your favourite setup, you think?
Well, first of all, I want to thank you for the experience. Absolutely fantastic. The only thing that spoilt it for me was 8 degrees centigrade.
8 degrees, yeah.
8 degrees centigrade. Because coming from the Philippines, during the daytime, it's sort of 35 degrees.
Yeah, I didn't really notice the cold at all.
No, I don't know if you noticed I was shaking, but having said that, it was just a wonderful experience. Out of the three, I couldn't choose, I don't think. Each one I like for different reasons. I like simplicity of the Bivvy bag. Bivvy bag. I did like the Bivvy bag. I didn't feel at all claustrophobic.
No.
It was lovely, really nice. So easy, you know. No pegs, no nothing. The hammock. That again is lovely. Just lying there looking at the treetops. Very nice, and you can get a bit of a swing on, which is comforting.
Very relaxing, isn't it?
Very relaxing. I like that too. And then the last one I tried, it's like a big bivvy bag.
Yeah, it's like a hooped bivvy
bag.
Really, yeah,
so
like a small tent.
If you had to press me, I think I'll go for that.
Yeah.
I'll go for that because you've got plenty of room inside. If you've got a guest, you can accommodate them. A little bit small, but cosy.
Yeah, because the difference is if it's going to be raining for a long period. So
Yeah.
say if you're hiking and it's raining, you know, what do? You know, you finish hiking and then you can't just get in the bivvy bag for 15 hours, can you? In the winter.
Your battery's going to go flat, you know, you're not better watching anything.
So you need a bit of space, don't you?
You need a bit of space. So, no, overall, I mean, I know I said I haven't got a favourite, but I think, talking to I think the last one, the hooped bivvy bag.
Yeah.
Yes, because you can have a friend in there, to stay. And the other thing, of course, you've got your backpack in there with you. You've got all your gear.
That's true. Yeah, you can't do that with a hammock, can you? Yeah.
It's all there, and keep an eye on it. No, so I think that one.
Great. Yeah.
And so I just want to thank you very much indeed.
Yeah.
I thoroughly enjoyed it.
So,
really
would you recommend sort of people getting outdoors and doing like even a day camp?
Oh,
even if you can't camp overnight.
Just like a morning or an afternoon. Just nice. To get away from whatever you want to get away from. And family for a little while, and noisy children. Just pop out and be brave, don't worry about what people think.
Yeah, so it's been brilliant, Dad, to have you on the video.
Thank you very much.
And there'll be many more, won't there?
Yes, that's the day trippers.
Yeah, many more day tripper videos. And we've got another guest who's going to just make a quick appearance.
Yes.
To say hello on the video.
A beautiful lady, all the way from Taiwan.
Oh, look at him, here he is. Come down. Here he is.
Come get in the middle.
He didn't come camping today. Yes.
This beautiful young lady, it's her birthday today.
It is, yeah. So happy birthday to you.
But we're not going to say how old she is.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe in the comments. No.
No, so thanks again for watching this one.
Yes.
And I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time.
It's goodbye from the day trippers.
Yep. Bye for now. Bye-bye.